Hi guys, this is Palak. I'm really excited to share my new purchase with you. It's a Brother SE625 computerized embroidery and sewing machine. Before my purchase of this machine, I did extensive amount of research. I was gonna start with the simple sewing machine, but towards the end of my research, I started leaning towards a machine that can do bit of both, embroidery as well as the sewing. As Brother SE625 has everything that I was looking for. So let's open this up. Now that my machine is unboxed and powered on, let's try some basic stitches and embroidery functions. I have selected, I have a J foot here and I have selected 1-01 stitching pattern. And let's see how it comes out. I like to keep this on the side. And I'm gonna just turn it on. And this can increase or decrease the speed. You see? And this is how you stop. And I use this scissor button which automatically cuts my threads. And all I have to do is lift this up and remove my stuff, and threads are automatically cut. See? I'm changing now setting to 101-06, and let's see how that thread will look like. We're going to keep on a medium speed, and there you go. Stop, cut, lift the pressure foot up, remove the fabric, and take a look at this. It's so pretty. Now let's try another one. Which one? 1-18. Stop, cut, pressure foot up, remove the fabric, and look how pretty this looks. It's really nice stitching. So now I have set up embroidery portion of this machine, and you notice that A and letter K is upside down. It is because over here I have end up putting my husband's shirt on the opposite side, and so I adjusted it, and we're gonna do a very simple initial embroidery. And finger crossed, this is my husband's favorite shirt and my favorite shirt too, and I'm messing with it for the first time. All I need to do is put this embroidery foot down and done, and hit start. All right, let's check it out how it is. I will use this to cut it. Not bad. It's pretty. I need to cut some of the threads here. Alright, this was my first look at Brother SE625. Overall, I find very easy to set up and use the machine. Straightforward embroidery and stitches. I'm very glad that I did not bought a simple sewing machine for my first purchase, and I did decided to buy Brother SE625. I am very happy with my purchase. What do you guys think about it? Please comment in below.